Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip of what went on at the Kenn Centre for the beginner class on the 2nd of August 2022. We did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a hatchback and a basket. If you need more information on any of those moves, links in the description below to the teaching clips for each of those things. This is just a reminder of how everything went together. So, starts off man's left, lady's right for the arm jive, and it went 7 and 8. Off of the hand, pulling left, right to the shoulder, turn and face, return for the shoulder slide. We went latch and caught right, return for the hatchback across the chest, spin and catch left, return two hands with a little twist for the basket, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. Obviously picking up the other hand if you wanted to go back to the arm jive. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you to everybody who does that, because it helps promote the channel. And it also means you'll find out every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.